Buluvinaka, my name is Yowane Nawaikula and I'm a proud recipient of the Commonwealth Youth Worker Award in the Pacific region for 2015. Many do wonder about the work of a youth worker. What exactly does it do? And the love and the will to do something where it is basically voluntary. And it being recognized as a profession is something that is always questionable. In the community that I lived in, I worked with young people. I had joined a non-governmental organization in the Western Division, which is called FRIEND. That's where I started with youth work. Creating Easy is an initiative of mine. I started this youth group back in 2012, where the initiative was to socially empower young people. EASY stands for Environment, Advocacy and Social Empowerment for Youths. In Creating Easy, we have two major programs. One is Young Minds, and the other is the ABC Project. The ABC Project is a project where we look for books for young children. The other project, which is Young Minds Project, is basically for young achievers who are in high school.
The Young Minds program was very beneficial. My main focus with the Young Minds program was about environment sustainability, because I was really involved with the environment and I was very passionate about my environment. So I was recruited to join the Pacific Youth Environment Network, which was under the SPRED program, and through that I was able to raise advocacy about issues that youth in the Pacific mainly face. Many thanks to young people out there like Mr. Yowane Nawaikula, who has helped motivate others to do well and do what's best for our planet.
His role as being the coordinator for the Yafi West group, that was the stepping stone of the formation of Yafi West. Mr. Nawaikula's contribution to not just youth group as a whole, youth development, but individuals as well. You could see people growing from one chapter to another. They are able to flourish in being a good advocate to try and create change as a whole in their community. And I believe this is the strength that Mr. Nawaikula has brought to most of young people.
Way back in 2014, our task was to establish the council. Yowane has worked outside of the work that is being outlined for the work of the General Secretary. So I thank Mr. Nawaikula for his contribution from Johnny's experience. That is something that is really assisted us in achieving on what we have become.
We started working at FRIEND, an NGO based in Lauto youth program, and Mr. Nawaikula is a very hardworking, passionate person who has given so much in the field of youth development. Over the years I have seen he had made impact in the lives of young people in Fiji. We used to walk down miles to reach to young people, either it be squatter settlement, either it be villages. For him, service to others is very important. At times I see that that he just wants to see young people happy and be successful in life, and that matters a lot. And these days you can't find this kind of young leaders, and he's contributed a lot in the youth development in Fiji.
One of the achievements of the National Council of Fiji is 6 city forums. We had a few objectives. One of them was the National Youth Policy. The other achievement is the National Council of Fiji Declaration. In this declaration, young people have brought about issues that really boils down to their bones. The declaration so far has been used by stakeholders. The other note is that the peace building that we have been working on. In these forums, we had mentioned to the young people how we can create peace and stability to get through our issues and our problems. We also had worked with United Nations volunteers to producing a youth volunteers report in the country. Youth workers play a vital role in the upbringing of a young person. So the need of a youth workers association is encouraged, I believe, in every country. And at this point of time, I must take my hat off the work that the Commonwealth are doing to lift up the youth workers' work. And I dedicate this award to all the youth workers in the Commonwealth region all around the world